Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to the consent screen in Big Easy Accounting for Google Sheets. You click on Getting Help to get started, and you click Continue on this authorization required, and now you choose your account. Now here's the authorization screen, and I can show you the privacy policy here real quickly, and the terms of service. And now I'll show you how to email an invoice. And what happens here is you get the second button once you have authorized Big Easy to run in your Google account, and you would have to set up, you would click on customer list, and you would set up your customer's name, address, and email address. And then you would go in to create an invoice, excuse me, and you would select your customer, and you would prepare your invoice. And once it's ready to go, you will send it, and it will ask you if you would like to confirm by saying yes, you want to send this email. And then from there, it shows the invoice has been sent. And when you get to your email here, it's going to show up here, your invoice. Here's your PDF attached. And that is it. Thanks for watching.